The name of the story is Puchku Seeks a Song. Author Dipanjana Pal. Illustrator Rajiv Aipe. Pratham Books Publication. From the window of her classroom, Puchku can see the jamun tree. It stands with its branches spread out like it wants to give you a hug. Under its shade, even the hottest day feels cool. But the tree is naughty. It drops fruits that leave bright purple splodges on Puchku's uniform. There are also birds that hide in its leaves and slyly poop so that it goes splat on her head. Every day, when it's time for tiffin, Puchku runs to the jamun tree. Sometimes Dodla runs faster than her and gets there first. Boltu is always last. There's always a butterfly or a worm or a flower that makes him forget the race. Today, Puchku beats Dodla to the jamun tree by 3 seconds. But someone else is under the jamun tree before them. Who is that? Is it a bowl made of branches, twigs, and leaves? And look, there is someone in the bowl with 2 little eyes and 1 little beak. Hello, says Puchku. Do you think it's a baby pterodactyl? Dodla asks Puchku. He likes the word pterodactyl. The P is silent, like a secret. Maybe it's a baby dragon, says Puchku. That's a baby bird, dummies, says Boltu, finally at the jamun tree. But birds make noises, says Puchku. Pigeons coo, crows caw, parakeets chatter, peacocks quack, kites screech. If this is a bird, why is she quiet? Boltu scratches his head. You know how we talk using words? Says Boltu. Puchku and Dodla nod. Birds use song in just the same way, says Boltu. That's how they talk to each other. So maybe this baby bird doesn't know her song because she's too small? Dodla looks worried. But without a song, the baby bird can't talk to anyone. She'll be so alone. Puchku decides this is a mission for the BPD Square. Brilliant Plans Department by Boltu, Puchku and Dodla. Boltu, Dodla, we are going to find this baby bird her song. Boltu gets some cotton wool. Dodla finds a cardboard box. Puchku draws a map of the places where they could look for a song for the baby bird. First, the baby bird and the BPD Square go to Melody Auntie's music classes. Carefully, Puchku brings the baby bird out. Imran is playing the flute. Is this your song? Asks Puchku. The baby bird is quiet. They take the baby bird to different rooms. Tararam pum, quee, quee, twang, pling, vroom, patink, patink, wow, tupu, 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 tupu. Is this your song? Asks Puchku. But the baby bird is quiet. She looks at Puchku. Boltu scratches his head. Dodla looks sad. Don't worry, Puchku tells the baby bird. We'll find your song. Gwang, gwang. Dodla plays a new tune on his rubber band guitar. Hick, hick. Boltu hiccups. Is this your song? Asks Puchku. The baby bird is quiet. Could it be squeak-doo whistle that police uncle uses? Maybe it is in the shoe that goes squeak. Could it be the click, 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 clatter, clatter, clatter of the sewing machine? Maybe it is on the radio that sings so many voices. Could it be the pressure cooker that goes squeal when its work is done? Puchku borrows her mother's mobile phone and they play all the ringtones one by one. Is this your song? Puchku asks the baby bird. Dodla's stomach growls. They forgot to eat tiffin. Is this your song? Asks Puchku. But the baby bird is quiet. Maybe it's one of the doorbells on Puchku's street. Patatang, ting tong, trrrr. Puchku, Boltu, and Dodla ring each one. But the baby bird is quiet, even though some of Puchku's neighbors are loud. At the end of tiffin break, the BPD square has no more brilliant plans. What do we do now? Boltu asks. We'll take her to Wildlife Didi, says Puchku. And so they sadly walk to the staff room to find the biology teacher in her usual corner. Puchku, Boltu, Dodla, what happened? You look sad, asks Wildlife Didi. We found a baby bird, but we couldn't find the baby bird's song, says Puchku in a sad voice. We looked everywhere, says Dodla in a sadder voice. Boltu sniffs even more sadly. It's okay, you won't always get it right. Wildlife Didi gives Boltu a hanky. But the baby bird still doesn't have a song, Puchku wails. But she has you, right? You won't leave her because she doesn't have a song like the other birds? Asks Wildlife Didi. Puchku, Boltu, and Dodla shake their heads. You just have to be patient, Wildlife Didi tells Puchku with a smile. Puchku picks up the baby bird carefully and says, Baby bird, you just keep your ears open. Any sound you like, you make it your song and I'll sing it with you, okay? The baby bird nods her little head and says, Chee!